Okay, here we go. Greetings, minions. I am your humble narrator, Sideways Thinker. And I'm just here with some more Let's Play this here Undertale. Genocide Run. Oh, there's supposed to be a frogget here. Maybe it's not here because I've been killing everything. That's probably why. Get myself a toy knife. I think that toy knife should give me a bit of an edge. The stick. Yep. Stick doesn't give me any bonus damage. This knife, even though it's plastic, I can still fuck something up royal with a plastic knife. Oh dear, that took longer than I thought it would. Were you trying to ring me, Toriel? I'm right here. How did you get here, my child? Are you... Shit, I skipped it. There, I will heal you. I should not have left you alone for so long. It was irresponsible to try to surprise you like this. Well... I suppose I cannot hide it any longer. Come, small one. I've done as well as it grows in the leaves, they fall right off. Is that an explanation for where all these leaves are coming from? Because I find that a bit hard to believe. Do you smell that? Surprise! It is a butterscotch cinnamon pie. I thought we might celebrate your arrival. I want you to have a nice time living here, so I will hold off on snail pie for tonight. I have another surprise for you. Okay, let's go have a look at this surprise, Goat Mother. This is it. A room of your own. I hope you like it. Is something burning? Oh, make yourself at home. Oh, it's a lovely little spot. Can we actually go see, like, if she's burning the fucking pie? Because I've never actually gone after her to see what's going on in the previous runs. Oh, you just let the pie burn. Hello there, little one. The pie is not cooled down yet. Perhaps you should take a nap. Sweet dreams. Okay, sure. Fuck yeah, I'm taking my pie. What a nice pie. What a nice smell. Too hot to eat, though. Fair enough, love. Fair enough. Fair enough, goat madam. I'll go have a little lie down, shall I? Go have myself a little bit of a little snooze. No, I'm gonna wake up. My pie's there. On with the light. Getting sick of this nighttime shit. Goat person! What news of the breach? Sorry. Up already, I see. I want you to know how glad I am to have someone here. There are so many old books I want to share. I want to show you my favorite bug hunting spot. I also prepared a curriculum for your education. This may come as a surprise to you, but I have always wanted to be a teacher. Actually, perhaps that isn't very surprising. Still, I am glad to have you living here. Oh, did you want something? What is it? When can I get the fuck out of here? What? This is your home now. It's a bit creepy, but fair enough. Would you like to hear about this book I'm reading? It is called 72 Uses for Snail. I haven't even seen any fucking snails. How about it? How to get out, please. How about an exciting snail fact? Did you know that snails make terrible shoelaces? Interesting. Let me out. I have to do something. Stay here. Nah, I'm not letting you fucking pull that one. I know what you're gonna do. I've seen this game before, Goat Mother. You're not fucking going it. Christ, you've got a creepy basement. You wish to know how to return home, do you not? Ahead of us lies the end of the ruins, a one-way exit to the rest of the underground. I'm going to destroy it. No one will ever be able to leave again. Now be a good child and go upstairs. No. I don't think I will. I kind of want to... I want to get going. Every human that falls down here meets the same fate. I've seen it again and again. They come, they leave, they die. You naive child. If you leave the ruins, Asgore will kill you. I am only protecting you. Do you understand? Go to your room. No. You don't fucking own me. Do not try to stop me. This is your final warning. What are you gonna do, goat matron? You ain't gonna do shit. You want to leave so badly? You are just like the others. There is only one solution to this. Prove yourself! Prove to me you are strong enough to survive! And now begins the part at which I am almost certain to get upset. Yeah! No, love. How about no? How about we stop it? We stop playing this game. Stop fucking throwing fire at me, Toriel. Yeah! I will win here, Toriel. Oh, shit. I am bad at dodging these, clearly. However, it's my understanding that, spoiler here for what's going to happen later in the fight. My understanding that I don't believe Toriel will actually kill you. At least that's what I think. There's a magical attack. Oh, do you, Toriel? Yeah, there. See, when your health gets too low, she refuses to hurt you anymore. Because she's a soft-hearted fool of a goat woman, is Toriel. Doesn't understand that I will more than happily murder her. Yep. I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm gonna kill her. She's dead. I'm fine. Ugh. You are stronger than I thought. Listen to me, small one. If you go beyond this door, keep walking as far as you can. Eventually, you will reach an exit. Asgore, do not let Asgore take your soul. His plan cannot be allowed to succeed. Be good, won't you, my child? Yeah, so she's dead. So Toriel's dead permanently now. We're level 5. We've got 5 love from killing Toriel. I did that accidentally. The first time I went through the game, I didn't want to kill her. I didn't kill anything else the entire game. I felt bad. I felt really bad. I genuinely, I'm not kidding. I'm tearing up slightly right now after having killed her. But I kid you not, I was just crying when I killed her accidentally originally. Hee hee hee. Oh wait, shit, what was the voice I gave this guy? I hope you liked your choice. After all, it's not as if you can go back and change fate. In this world, it's kill or be killed. That old hag thought she could break the rules. She tried so hard to save you humans, but when it came down to it, she couldn't even save herself. What an idiot! Yeah, laugh it up, Flowey. You sick little puppy. But then again, I'm also a sick little puppy as far as this playthrough is concerned. I'm fine, by the way. I'm not stuffed up because of the game, I swear. And now the game begins proper, about 40 minutes in. Which is odd that the game doesn't actually get the title until 40 minutes in, given the fact that, you know, it's not a big game, believe it or not. Keep expecting to see Slender Man in these woods. Ooh, there's a oh wait, it's a tough-looking branch. It's too heavy to pick up. Well, shit. Didn't like that. Didn't like that at all. I fucking saw you, mate. Don't you be doing this to me, buddy. Oh god. Oh god! He's here! Human, don't you know how to greet a new pal? Turn around and shake my hand. Oh god, I need to think of a voice for Sans. The old whoopee cushion in the hand trick. It's always funny. Anyways, you're a human, right? That's hilarious, somehow. I'm Sans. Comic Sans. The skeleton. Because yes, he's named after his fucking font. I'm actually supposed to be on the watch for humans right now, but, you know, I don't really care about capturing anyone. Now my brother, Papyrus, the font, he's a human hunting fanatic. Hey, actually, I think that's him over there. I have an idea. Go through this gate thingy. Yep, go right through. My bro made the bars too wide to stop anyone. Yep. Quick, behind that conveniently shaped lamp. Well, I didn't move quickly, because fuck you. Sup, bro? You know what's up, brother? Yes, because everything he does is in massive capital letters, so that's his voice now. Deal with it. It's been 8 days and you still haven't recalibrated your puzzles! You just hang around outside your station! What are you even doing? Staring at this lamp. It's really cool. Do you want to look? No! I don't have time for that! What if a human comes through here? I want to be ready! I will be the one! I must be the one! I will capture a human! Then I, the great Papyrus, will get all the things I utterly deserve. Respect, recognition, I'll finally be able to join the Royal Guard. People will ask to be my friend. I will bathe in a shower of kisses every morning. Well, maybe this lamp will help you. Sans, you are not helping, you lazy bastard. All you do is sit and boondoggle. You get lazier and lazier every day. Hey, take it easy. I've got a ton of work today. A skeleton. Good that the game puts the badum-tish in there for us. Sans! Come on, you're smiling. I am, and I hate it. Sigh! Why does someone as great as me have to do so much just to get some recognition? Wow, sounds like you're really working yourself down to the bone. I will attend to my puzzles. As for your work, put a little more backbone into it. There you go. This is not doing my throat any good. Not at all. Okay, you can come out now. By the way, yes, I haven't decided on a fucking voice for Sans, so yes, Sans' voice is gonna change. Also, got the hiccups. Oh, I can walk around. Hi, Sans. Let's have a chat. You ought to get going. He might come back, and if he does, you'll have to sit through more of my hilarious jokes. Oh, what's the hold up? Look, there's nothing to be afraid of. It's just a dark cavern filled with skeletons, horrible monsters. Oh, god damn it. I've got... Actually, hey, hate to bother you, but can you do me a favor? I was thinking my brother's been kind of down lately. He's never seen a human before, and seeing you might just make his day. Don't worry, he's not dangerous, even if he tries to be. Thanks a million. I'll be up ahead. Even though he went backwards. Fucking hiccups, man. It's a fishing rod fixed to the ground, reel it in, yes. All that's attached to the end is a photo of a weird-looking monster. Call me. Here's my number. You decided not to call. I wish I could call. I want to call. I so want to call. So, as I was saying about Undyne... Sans! Oh my god! Is that a human? Actually, I think that's a rock. Oh! Hey, what's that in front of the rock? Oh my god! Is that a human? Yes. Oh my god! Sans! I finally did it! Undyne will! I'll be so popular! It's Sans' voice that's giving me the fucking hiccups, isn't it? It's clear Sans' voice. Human, you shall not pass this area. I, the great Papyrus, will stop you. I will then capture you. You'll be delivered to the capital. Then... I'm not sure what's next. In any case, continue. Only if you dare. Here it goes, man. Well, that went well. Don't sweat it, kid. I'll keep an eye socket out for you. Tish. I'm gonna need to find a save point and stop. There's some narration on the cardboard box. You observe the well-crafted sentry station. Who could have built this, you ponder? I bet it was that very famous royal guardsman. Note, not yet a very famous royal guardsman. I'm being attacked. Ah! What the fuck is this? Kill it! Kill it now! My fave ice cereals, frosted. Oh! Die! You won! Earned 22 XP and 18 gold. Oh good, we're starting to get more XP here. Absolutely no moving. I'll move if I want to, chat. Oh dear. Did something move? Was it my imagination? I can only see moving things. If something was moving, for example, a human, I'll make sure it never moves again. Doggo blocks the way. Oh, does he? I kind of feel bad now. As well, because now it's a dog. And I love dogs. I won! I earned 30 XP and 30 gold and our love increased. Someone's been smoking dog treats. Sure. Hey, there's something important to remember. My brother has a very special attack. If you see a blue attack, don't move and it won't hurt you. Here's an easy way to keep it in mind. Imagine a stop sign. When you see a stop sign, you stop, right? Stop signs are red. So imagine a blue stop sign instead. Simple, right? When fighting, think about blue stop signs. Yeah, great. North ice, south ice, west ice, east Snowden town, and ice. Oh dear, there's ice everywhere. Hello, I'm a snowman. I want to see the world, but I cannot move. If you would be so kind, traveler, please take a piece of me and bring it very far away. Thank you. Good luck. You got the snowman piece. Am I doing by I mean the piece of me I gave you. I don't want to, because you can't actually eat. Actually, Did you just consume the part of me I gave you? In front of my very eyes? I have no words for you. Be gone! I shouldn't have given myself away so easily. No, you shouldn't have, you stupid fucking asshole. Now you're in my belly. You're so lazy! You were napping all night! I think that's called, sleeping. Excuses, excuses! Oh! I've got hiccups! The human arrives! In order to stop you, my brother and I have created some puzzles. I think you will find this one quite shocking! Well, you see, this is the invisible electricity maze. When you touch the walls of this maze, this orb will administer a hearty zap. Sound like fun? Because the amount of fun you will probably have is actually rather small, I think. Okay? Okay, you can go ahead now. Sans! What did you do? I think the human has to hold the orb. Oh, okay. Hold this, please. Okay, try now. I got through somehow. Incredible, you slippery shit. You solved it so easily. Too easily. However, the next puzzle... these hiccups are awful. The next puzzle will not be easy. It is designed by my brother, Sans. You will surely be confounded. I know I am. Hi, Sans. Hey. Oh, hey, thanks. My brother seems he's having fun. By the way, did you see that weird outfit he's wearing? We made that a few weeks ago for a costume party. He hasn't worn anything else since. Keeps calling it his battle body. Man, isn't my brother cool? No, he's not. Hello. I don't understand why it's not selling. The perfect weather for something cold. Oh, a customer. Yes, I'm would like some ice cream. Thank you. Oh, it's a ball. I know what to do with this ball. Knock it into a hole. That's where balls belong, right? Holes. Although, actually, I wonder... Can I fall down this hole? It's a hole. Ah, I can't fall down the hole. This makes me sad. Oh, no, come on. Come on. Just a minute. Excellent, I got it! Purple. Even when you felt trapped, you took notes and achieved the end of ball. You're awarded 2 gold. Good. It looks like a snowball. Actually, it's a snow decahedron. It's a snow decahedron. Oh, hi, Sans. I've been thinking about selling treats too. Want some fried snow? It's just 5 gold. Did you say 5? I meant 50. Really? How about 5,000? 5,000? That's my final offer. Buy. What? You don't have... Honey, hey, that's okay. I don't have any snow. You're an asshole, Sans. His. And hers. Smell danger rating. Snow smell, snowman, white rating. Can become yellow rating. Unsuspicious smell, puppy, blue rating. Smell of rolling around. Weird smell, humans, green rating. That's red. Are they colorblind? Is that the gag there? That these dogs are colorblind? God damn it, I just revealed that I knew they're dogs. Ah, fuck me. Human! I hope you're ready for... Sans! Where's the puzzle? It's right there, on the ground. Trust me, there's no way they can get past this one. Yep. Sans! That didn't do anything! Whoops. I knew I should have used today's crossword instead. What? Crossword? I can't believe you said that. In my opinion, Junior Jumble is easily the hardest. What? Really, dude? That easy peasy world scramble? That's for baby bones. Unbelievable! Human! Solve this dispute! Crossword. You two are weird! Crosswords are so easy! It's the same solution every time! I just fill all the boxes in with the letter Z, because every time I look at a crossword, all I can do is snore! Fucking hiccups, man. Papyrus finds difficulty in interesting places. Yesterday got stumped trying to solve the horoscope. Your brother's a moron. It's a note from Papyrus. Human! Please enjoy the spaghetti. Little do you know the spaghetti is a trap, designed to entice you. You're so busy eating it that you won't realize you aren't progressing. Thoroughly japed again by the great Papyrus. Papyrus. Good. Knowing the mouse might one day find a way to heat up the spaghetti, it fills you with determination. Good. Okay, so now I think that's gonna have to be off me for now because this hiccup's driving me insane. So yeah, that's gonna be off me for now. I've been your More Stardust Thinker, and as always, keep calm and carry on. Good day. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching that video as much as I enjoyed making it. Well, I say that, I could have been having a really shitty day when I recorded that. You can't tell, and I certainly can't. Pre-recorded message and all that. Anyway, just here to say that I have a Twitter account that you can follow if you want occasional updates of random thoughts from me, and that if you're feeling generous, feel free to donate to my Patreon campaign. Every penny donated there makes life easier for me generally and slowly goes towards me getting a better gaming PC. Well, that's that. It's over. Leave. Now. Now!
Do not seek the sideways thinker. Do not seek the pardoner.